Back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here in the DC office of Natural Transplants, and I am so excited and pumped. We have Michael joining us back again. You may remember him from about a year ago. We did his procedure and did mostly kind of the frontal third area and some of the crown as well too. Michael, wow. All I can say is wow. I know how I feel about it. It looks fantastic, but how do you feel about it?
I feel good about it.
Yeah.
No complaints. Everything grew in well.
Nice, man.
So yeah, pretty happy with the results.
Love it. Looks fantastic. You were share the story. We were chatting a little bit before about other people and their experience with it and kind of what their thoughts were when they saw you.
Yeah. So I mean, and now that I'm putting this out, so my secret's gonna be out.
I know.
There's only probably like a couple people that I told that I got a hair transplant, like my immediate family and maybe like 2 or 3 friends,
right.
I think. But I've had people who, because I wore hats a lot. I wore hats for like years.
Yeah.
And I would never like show people my hair. So now when I'm like wearing my hair out and I have pictures of just my hair growing out, people are like, I never knew you had hair. Like, I thought you were bald.
Right.
Like, what? So I'm just like, oh yeah, no, I just wear hats a lot.
Right. That's the beauty, man. Now you can wear a hat if you want to. You don't have to. That's the beautiful thing.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's great, man. I love it. It's fantastic. Well, do me a favor. Now that we have you live, we're gonna throw up the before pictures as well, just to kind of compare them to the before and after. So do me a favor and just kind of put your head down and hold it for maybe 2 or 3 seconds. Yeah. Looks beautiful. Woo. Awesome. And then look straight at me again, and then pick a side, left or right. Wonderful. Yep. Awesome. Other side. Beautiful. Man, looks fantastic. Love it. Mike, thank you so much for doing this. Any words of advice? You've been now, through the whole process. You're before, now you're after. Anybody that's sort of on the fence thinking about doing it, they're looking at all these videos. What would you tell them, or what would you tell yourself a year and a half ago?
Yeah, I mean, if you're on the fence about it, if you're thinking about it, I definitely think, do your research, right? Yep. I spent a lot of time watching you guys' videos for probably like over a year, just like, because I'm very obsessive with certain things. Yeah. So
that's good. We have a lot of stalkers. Stock them, man. Stock away.
So going into it, I was very confident that you guys were the right choice, and I don't regret it at all.
Awesome.
If you're thinking about it, go for it, take the leap, do it. I think you guys also have, not to reveal anything, but like, good pricing compared to other places. So I definitely would recommend you guys, and
appreciate it.
Do your research, but take the leap, get it done. You won't regret it. And, you go through the ugly phase. It's going to be ugly
it's not an easy journey. Yep, it's a bumpy roller coaster throughout the year. There can be some awkward stages, absolutely. You got
Definitely. So make sure, like, the time that you go get it done, that your lifestyle is pretty much set up for that.
It's good.
Right? Like,
so good advice.
If you you want to be outside in the summertime, maybe
not
think
the time
about
to do
it twice.
Right.
Right.
Love it. Great advice.
But and just have a lot of patience. Like you said, it was the ugly phase. It was for some months, but once you hit a certain month, and you're like, oh, okay, I'm good.
You
like,
see it.
This,
The confidence and the freedom, just like it's amazing. Yeah, I love it. Michael, thank you so much for doing this. Thanks for sharing your story with everybody. Welcome to the family. You did it. Congratulations. This will be the last time that we check in with you, but you can send us postcards, and we're here for it if you need us. All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Take care, buddy. All right, man.
All right.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.